Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that whether village people are good in English learning or city people are good in English learning. If you are living in a village and your English is good, it's okay. If you are living in a city and your English is good, it's okay. But what is the difference, comparison between these two when it comes to learn the English language? For example, you are unable to speak English language. You both are unable. One is living in city area, one is living in village area. Both start English learning at the same time, but they are staying at these specific places, one in village, another in city. So I think that they are doing the same exercise. They are not joining any classes, not joining any English speaking course, just doing the struggles by their own basis. So I think this is my opinion. Some people are intelligent. There is a difference of intelligence also, because perhaps the person who is staying in city will be intelligent, or person who is living in village will be intelligent. But when I talk about the environment, the person who is living in village area is getting the beautiful environment, the natural beauty around him, the trees, the wind blowing, cool wind blowing, and very fresh. But when we talk about city area, there is a rush of traffic, noise, pollution, so many other problems. But there are some kind of facilities. But I have seen that most people, those are doing extraordinary job in their life, they are first belonging to village area. They have shifted from village to city areas. Because in village area, when you are living in a fresh environment, then your mind will work, your mind will be fresh, and with fresh mind you can think beautiful ideas. And mostly I have seen that people, those have progressed in their life, are belonging to village area after they shifted to city area, after the success. So this is the comparison. But when it comes to intelligence, perhaps the person who is staying in village area is not more intelligent than the person who is staying in city area. So in this way, the person who is staying in city area can excel. He can do wonder. And moreover, he is getting the chances and many other facilities. It also depends on your status, what kind of status you have. Are you poor? Are you rich? And if you are poor, you lack the devotion, then you can do nothing. If you are poor but you are dedicated, devoted towards your work, then you can do wonder. But if you are rich, you are not dedicated, same is the situation, that you can't do anything. For doing anything, I think that devotion, dedication, and set a goal in front of you, then you can do the hard work, try to achieve those goals. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you are new on this channel, do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.